Just before we look at what Alto is doing in terms of innovation and packaging, I just would first like to go through a bit about what Alto is and where we come from and what we are. Alto is a packaging manufacturer primarily in the rigids area, so rigid plastics. Our facilities are in New Zealand and Australia. Our vision is to be the most exciting plastics business in Australia, and being renowned for innovation and basically that transforms customers' businesses. Yep. Yeah. Our focus is we work with some major players in the industry, both from a processor or a manufacturer's point of view and retailers throughout Australia, New Zealand and also Asia. We have a number of leading processors throughout Australia and New Zealand that have constantly communicated that our performance levels are to the standard that we are their preferred partner. We tend to focus on our service, our product development and also our technical support. We also have our own research and development centre in Auckland in New Zealand. As New Zealand's largest plastics manufacturer, we have over 800 staff based in New Zealand. We encourage creativity, innovation and also continuous improvement. We have significant investment in place for research and development. We also have our own warehouse facilities in Australia, in Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane and Perth. Sorry? We have a service warehouse in Adelaide. That's not our own, but in all those states we're our own, and other states we have a service warehouse. The Chief Executive of our group of companies has a very strong commitment to environmental responsibility. We have a robust environmental management system. We also have a carbon reduction plan throughout the entire company. By way of example, just little things. As of the beginning of this year, 80% of our fleet were LPG or diesel vehicles, so that's all the cars, the sales reps and so on. Just go back. We have a lot of developments in place for PLA, or biodegradable plastics. It is commercial. We are producing PLA plastics right now in a number of formats. We have some life cycle assessment tools. We also have a division within our organisation called SustainaPack, and their brief is to look at the whole footprint of our company and our customers to reduce carbon footprint and credible carbon offerings. Within our group we have over 1,600 employees in Australia and New Zealand, and within that group there's various segments. So we have the steel products, we have rigid plastics, closures, extrusion and thermoforming and sustainability services. Commercial points, because we manufacture a lot of our stuff for the Australian market in New Zealand, we have to be reactive to the customers' requirements, and how we mandate that requirement is we hold 3 months stock of each of our customers' products in a warehouse that's close to them. We have very good technical support throughout the organisation. We have machine technicians, food technologists, and all these guys have strong process knowledge of modified atmosphere packaging. We also have food science support and food packaging technologists, and also our design consultants in our Design and Innovation Centre in Auckland. We also provide our customers with product development support and market intelligence about what's happening in other countries, bring back examples of things we see overseas and bring it through to the customers. Some of the product groups that we manufacture in the food and beverage, we have open cell foam technology. This open cell foam technology is available in standard EPS or expanded polystyrene, and also we can produce that now in PLA, biodegradable foam. We also do open cell foam top seal rather than just overwrapping as well. As an example, in New Zealand, we provided some supermarket cost savings. Progressives, we dropped from 27 SKUs or 27 different tray sizes into 3 tray sizes. The labour saving for the supermarkets through this, by also not inserting soaker pads with the open cell self-absorbent foam. At the moment in New Zealand, 100% of the supermarkets will use a Plix foam tray from Alto, either open cell or standard closed cell. Case-ready systems, we spend a lot of time on case-ready systems, both high oxygen and low oxygen systems. Primarily in Australia, we will run high oxygen top seal MAP systems. Other countries such as the US and Asia, we run low oxygen MAP systems.